DOCG is a 2020 vintage, and as just told you, Elio, was a dry summer, quite hot. You have to imagine that before the harvest in August didn't rain, so that means a lot of concentration of sugar inside the grape. And which kind of territory and soil there is in vineyard for Moscato?
La nostra zona si caratterizza come suolo per dei suoli marnosi, tufacei, quindi suoli molto bianchi, molto chiari, le classiche terre bianche, molto asciutte, molto secche.
Talk about the soil, and we talk about white soil in this area. Most of the soil is composed by limestones, so a lot of calcareous, and that means also that the grape, the vineyard, go very deep inside the soil and take more aromas in the grape. More aromas that you can smell in the grape, in this case, because it's an aromatic, and also in the glass of wine.
E questo aroma lo sentiamo subito, immediatamente all'apertura della bottiglia al naso, che si esprime con questi profumi floreali estremamente intensi, profumi di acacia, di pesca, di miele.
Now it's fresh of bottling for sure, and it's very young, and the classic smell of Moscato is very sweet in the notes, a lot of flowers, orange flower, peach, a lot of honey, acacia flower, but it's very complex. Also, it feels some aromatic herbs in the smelling. But you have to think to the Moscato not only to be drink young. For sure, it's a good drink young, but you can have an evolution of these aromas that goes to more honey and dried fruit after 2 or 3 years in bottle. So you have to try, after this long period, to understand the perfect evolution that can have the Moscato d'Asti DOCG. Let's taste. Wow. Thinking that we have around 100 grams of sugar residual, well, it's not too much sweet because we have a really part of acidity in the mouth. So it's perfect balanced, very, very fresh, and with a part of minerality that comes from the territory for sure, and also a long final. So it's perfect anyway, in any time during the day, I think. Cheers. Okay, so we are inside the vineyard of Sorangela. Sorangela is one of the best Barbera d'Asti Superiore. They produce Tre Secoli winery, and there are 2 pieces of vineyard, one here, one there. As you can see, we are in fall, and so all the leaves are taking a color that between yellow and brown, and this territory is rich in calcareous and argilla, and also limestone inside. And here you can see that we have some little grape that is remaining after the harvest, and this grape is called grape of San Martino. Today is San Martino, and are a part of grape that arrive at maturation too much late to be picked up before. How many bottles you produce of Sorangela Barbera d'Asti Superiore?
20.000.
Around 20,000 bottles of Barbera d'Asti are produced with this vineyard. Okay, I think as one of the best exposition. Which kind of exposition is a southwest here?
Yes.
Okay, southwest, and so it's the perfect exposition to have a great Barbera, huge in sugar. We can taste it. We can taste it. It's so sweet and rich in sugar. That's why normally Barbera is also got more than 14% in alcohol, because the sugar, during the fermentation enveloped completely in alcohol. Thanks a lot, Elio, for that.